An additional $1,000 a month can be life-changing. In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 ways to bring in an additional income that will generate at least $1,000 a month. My name is Miss Drea, and I'm a serial entrepreneur who loves God and who loves helping people. Let's hop straight into the video. So the first thing that you can do is you can become a tutor. If there is some type of skill that you have, you can start to tutor people on it. So if you know how to use a software, if you know a different language, if you were very smart with anything in school, math, science, any skills, anything that would assist children, you can become a tutor. Wyzant is a great website that you can sign up on as a tutor and start to make an additional income. You can set your own rate. So if you know that you want to charge anywhere from $50 to $125 an hour, you can do that. 10 hours a month at $125 actually brings in $1,250. There are several things that you can teach on there. If you know how to use any software, like I said, and even speaking another language, I have been on Wyzant and I have several different tutors that I am planning to work with. I'm in the process right now of revamping my schedule so I'll have time to work with these tutors to learn skills that I want. The price ranges vary from $35 to $125 an hour. I'm going to pay it myself. So I know that if the services are valuable for me, other people are going to value whatever services that you can offer. Becoming a tutor is the first way that you can earn an additional income each and every month. Number 2 is dog sitting. Dog sitting is one of the most lucrative professions. Who doesn't love their dog? I am a fur mom, so I am totally an advocate for someone becoming a dog sitter, because we need reliable people that we can trust to watch our babies. It's just like any other business. And sometimes, you don't want to have to go through the hassle as a pet parent of taking your pet to some type of facility. Like, I'm not even always comfortable with that. And it's expensive. But paying someone who has great reviews on a dog sitter website, Rover is a great website that you can go on and set up your profile, get verified, and then you can start to dog sit. Great way to make extra money. Number 3 is sell digital products. You can create your own course. Whatever skills you have, you can monetize. I don't care what you know how to do. It has to be something that you know how to do that can be monetized. So any skill that you have, you can monetize. Digital products. If you know how to create a website, you can create your own digital course and sell it online. So whatever you know how to do, you can monetize. I'm telling you, it's so many things that you can turn into a digital product. If I'm a makeup artist, so I took digital classes, I took in-person classes. You can sell things digitally and make extra money. Number 4 is to become an affiliate marketer. This is the affiliate marketing industry is a $17 billion industry. And there's room to grow. They're saying that it's going to grow to $27 billion by 2027. Affiliate marketing is the easiest way to make an additional income. Just promoting a product that's already packaged and put together. All you're doing is promoting it. The only thing that you have to do as an affiliate marketer is to build trust. And make sure you pick a credible product to promote. That's what I really feel like is, as long as we make sure that the product we're promoting is a product of integrity, the coins will roll in. Number 5 is to become a rideshare driver. Uber, Lyft, these are obviously great companies to work for. So many people do it. Driving at the airport, every time I travel, go to a different city, I prefer to take an Uber. Or I tried Lyft and I need to start to use it more, but Rideshare services are so much more convenient. You don't have to have the hassle. People don't have to have the hassle of getting a rental car. They can just hop in an Uber, go where they need to go. There is a track record of the driver, so we can make a decision on if we want to even book with the driver. So I just feel like it's a great opportunity. So definitely a rideshare side hustle would be perfect. Okay, so if you don't want anybody riding in your car, because I've never done Uber and I've never done Lyft, never been my jam, you can deliver food. They have Uber Eats. There are companies like Favor. All of these companies are great companies to work for, and you can make a substantial amount of money each and every month. I used to drive part-time for Favor delivering food. Now, I'm just going to say this. I only wanted to deliver food in the rich neighborhoods. Don't put me in no hood. I don't want to be in the suburbs. Put me in the rich neighborhoods, because the rich people tend to know how to tip. I like 20% tips, and a lot of times you get even more depending on what you're delivering. Favor was, and I'm a witness that Favor works. And I did Uber Eats for a little while, but I didn't do it in the areas that I wanted because it worked different from Favor. But Favor was a great company, and definitely you can make so much extra money with Favor. I think I made, the year that I did it, an extra maybe $20,000 or $30,000 that year, which equated to well over $1,000 a month. So it is very, very lucrative, and it's fun. I think Favor was the funnest job because you're your own boss. No one is standing over you. All you have to do is make sure you get the food, pick up the food, and get it to the customer in excellent condition, in a great time frame. And then here's a little perk to delivering food. What I used to love about Favor is, if by chance you're unable to deliver the food, guess who gets to keep it? You do. That was another thing I loved about Favor. I got a lot of free food. Not all the time, but I did get it. So yeah, that was a perk. Last but not least, which is in 2024, my very favorite thing to do to earn an additional income, which can definitely supersede $1,000, is to monetize a YouTube channel and make money on YouTube. If there was any other way that was greater to generate income, I would say it would be YouTube. You can figure out what niche you want to be in and just mash the gas and execute. Really implement whatever skills you have. You can put them in video format and start to make an additional income. I absolutely love, love, love YouTube. And monetization nowadays is so tangible. And if you don't want to show your face on camera, you can also step into faceless channels. So it's just such an enormous opportunity on YouTube. I feel like this is just like the greatest thing ever. So I pray that you guys found value. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. I want to thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Have a blessed one.